Don't forget to like and subscribe to Jolie Knots Crochet. Share with your friends. Hit that little notification bell so you can get notified when new patterns release. All our videos are available in left and right-handed tutorials.
Okay, so in order to make a sash or a strap or a belt or anything similar to that, what we are going to do is chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now into the second chain from the hook, we're going to place a single crochet, and then we're going to single crochet into each remaining chain, which is only 3. We just have 3 single crochets across. Now we're going to turn our work. When we turn our work, we're not going to turn it like this where our working yarn is in the front. We want to turn it the opposite way so that your working yarn is coming from the back. Starting a new row, we do not chain 1. We will go straight in to the top of the single crochet and make 3 single crochets across. 3. Turn your work, making sure that your working yarn is coming from the back, and work your 3 single crochets. And that's it. If you want it wider, then you can go more than 3 single crochets. Just remember, we do not chain 1 at the beginning of each row because we want it to be tight. We don't want it to have very much give to it. We don't want it to stretch out. So we're just going to continue. And that's it. That's what it's going to look like. This is what we're creating. This is a bag strap for a hobo bag that I created. And this is what your final result will look like. Alright, so just make it as long as you like. If you're measuring it, make sure to give it a good stretch so you get a true measurement. Alright, thank you everybody for watching Jolie Knots Crochet. I'm Crystal. You can find me on Facebook and Instagram under Jolie Knots Crochet. I also have a Jolie Knots Crochet community group on Facebook. Go ahead and join us and show us what you've created.